and welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and I love sharing all things handbags, accessories, bath and body care, and a little extra. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today, guys, I have a small Coach outlet unboxing for you guys. So here is my package. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I was on the Coach outlet recently and I was looking at some SLGs to pick up to go with my mini city tote. And if you hadn't already seen that video, I will try to make sure to leave the link for it down below so you guys can check that out. Now, before we get into what's in the envelope, so I stepped outside of my comfort zone when it comes to colors with my Coach Mini City Tote because I already had one in the brown signature print. Well, I already have a Coach bag, I should say, in the brown signature print. So I didn't want to get the Coach Mini City Tote in that same exact color. So I decided to opt for the lighter one. So I got the, I think it's called the light khaki and light saddle color. So I decided to pick up some SLGs for them. So I'm going to start off with the smaller item I got, which is here. And this is the khaki keychain, the heart-shaped key ring that I picked up from there. So let's take a look at this beauty. Oh, this is pretty and heavy, y'all. So this is what I picked up. I love the gold hardware. So it does have the key O-ring on here so that you can hook your keys to it if you want to. And then it also has the, I think this is called what, the lobster clamp as well too, so you can attach it to your bag. And then it also has the little gold Coach, let me come up a little bit so y'all guys can see that, the gold Coach tag right there that says Coach on it. So I think that is absolutely gorgeous. So I picked this up, and if I can remember the price of it, I will put it somewhere up on the screen, but that is how it looks. So I will be using this on my bags. So that is item number 1. The next item that I picked up, this is going to be the corner zip wristlet, and this one is in the light khaki chalk and light saddle. So let's see how this looks. All right, let's take that off, and there you go. This is so cute. I absolutely love it. And I do love the chalk that's on here as well too. So I have the light khaki here. You have the chalk, and then the handle is in that light saddle color as well too. So this will definitely match my mini city tote. It does come with the gold Coach stamped here on the front. And then let's take a quick look in the inside. So this is just how it looks in the inside. It does have the 2 card slots here on the front. And it kind of has like the darker saddle color in the inside as well too. So that is the corner zip wristlet from Coach and the light khaki chalk and saddle. And the last item that I got is going to be a wallet. And y'all, I've been wanting this particular wallet from Coach for a little minute now. but just never got it. But this is in the color light khaki and light saddle. And I believe this is it's the snap wallet. So this is how it came packaged. And I'm not returning any of these, so that's why I'm taking everything off. Let's see if I can. They got this taped on here good. Hold on a second, y'all. There we go. All right. So this is how it's looking. It does have gold hardware on the front. It does say Coach with the Coach horse and buggy on the front. And it does have the little gold plate under it that says New York. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I love the little C. Do y'all see the little C just dangling there? It is so cute. I absolutely love that. And the gold hardware. So the outside of the wallet is in that light khaki. It does come with the zipper in gold. So you can put coins in here, extra cards, just whatever you want to throw in there. And that just has the card. Let's see if it'll, there you go, it's focused. That is the card. So yeah, it just came with the care card right here. And this is how the zipper compartment look. It does have the gussets on the side. That way it'll keep your coins in there. But if you don't want to use it for coins, you can use it for your extra cards because they will fit. And then in the inside, like I said, it is a snap opening. So let's move all of that. You get your ID slot here. And you get an additional card slot right above your ID slot. And then on the opposite side, you get a card slot right here. So you can put cards. And then you get one, what is that? Two. This is, okay, so 2 and 3. You get 3 additional card slots right there. And then you also get your money fold right here as well too, where you can put cash at. And if you didn't want to put cash here, guys, you can also put cards here on this side and some on this side as well too, because I've done that before in one of my Dooney and Burke wallets. So you can definitely do that if you don't have any cash and you just need extra space for your cards. You can do that. So absolutely love this. I am so excited to have this little cutie in my collection, guys. I do want to get this in a few more colors, so you may be seeing another unboxing for another one of these coming soon. But yes, I absolutely love my items that I picked up. So I just wanted to come on really quickly, guys, and share with you some items that I picked up to go with my Coach Minnie City Totes. I am super excited that I actually have some items to pair with my bag now. All right, guys, so that was everything. Please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.